In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden Send. By the end, you'll be comfortable sharing sensitive text or files securely, and you'll know the key options that help you control access and privacy. First, open your Bitwarden web vault in your browser. Once you're in the vault, look to the sidebar and select Send. This takes you to the area where all of your secure shares live. At the top, there's a search bar you can use to quickly find any existing send, whether it's a note or a file. Just below, you'll see All Sends, which shows everything in one place. You can also narrow things down by clicking text to see only note-style sends or file to see only file-based ones. Keep in mind that sending files is part of the premium plan, while sending text is available without it. To create something new, click New Send. You'll be asked to choose what you're sharing. For this walkthrough, select Text. This opens the Send Details panel where you'll configure exactly how your share should behave. Start by giving your send a name. This is required and makes it easier to identify later. Next, type the text to share, the content you actually want to send. If you prefer to keep it concealed until the recipient chooses to reveal it, turn on Hide Text by default. This is useful when you don't want sensitive information visible on first load. Set a deletion date to control when Bitwarden should automatically remove the send. This keeps your shares from lingering longer than needed. In the Who Can View section, review the visibility settings so you're comfortable with how recipients will access the link. Then open additional options for more fine-grained control. Limit Views lets you cap how many times the send can be opened before it expires. You can also hide your email address from viewers so recipients don't see the email associated with your vault. Use Private Note to leave yourself context only you can see later. It won't be included in the shared content. When everything looks right, click Save. Bitwarden will generate a secure link to your send. Click Copy Link to place it on your clipboard, then share it through your preferred channel. A few quick tips: if you hid the text by default, your recipient will need to click to reveal it. If you set view limits or a deletion date, the link will stop working based on those rules. You can return to the send page anytime to review, modify, or delete your shares for complete control.